Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. Today is day number 3 of our vacation, and it is not raining at this moment. It is nice and sunny, even though it did rain all night. We had a little break of 3 hours in the evening last night, so we went out to the outlet mall and we went out for ice cream, and we did find some shorts for Tyler, so that is good news. And right now we're just gonna go out and explore a little bit, and then we have to stop at the grocery store for some dinner tonight. Also, my parents are going to be joining us today sometime. And tonight is the last night we are staying at this first cabin, so we have to get back here to clean up and pack up a little bit, and tomorrow we will be moving to another cabin. We're looking for some toys for the cats. What is that? A little backpack? Oh, doesn't she like the little mice?
Yeah.
Some fish.
We got springs.
Here's all these shirts. Oh, that one's cute.
I need to get a cat rug.
That rug. These little wind chimes are cute too. They have cats at the Smoky Mountain cat house. We went and bought some goodies for the kitties. We'll show you later. They got some monster spray if you're looking for a way to keep the monsters out of your room. Look at the little owls and birds and Smokey the bear. You can even build a little Smokey the bear. Addie found her favorite. They have all these squishmallows here in a store. Which one do you like? You see that cat one down there? Or is that a strawberry?
This one's cute.
Is that a strawberry?
It's a bat. Yeah, it's a strawberry bat.
Is that a cat? The purple? Yeah, it's a cat. The purple and white one.
This is a cat. This one's cool.
Here's a butterfly, I think. The pink one.
Yeah, it's a butterfly.
And there's Lucy. We're taking a little walk on the Gatlinburg Trail. And the stream is really moving today after all of the rain. You may not be able to hear me. It's pretty loud. But the water is nice and cool, so it's cooling you off. Oh, he's very mad. See, we have a pet here and he will not let us out on our deck. He like wants in here really bad. He was out in front and now he's back here, so I guess we're stuck here for a while. Oh, you know, he's gone.
He's leaving.
Or he's gonna come back.
Maybe.
He was pretty mad about something.